Hello children, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that means a topic very new to you, that is the multiples of a number. You have studied the multiplication table and you know how to multiply two numbers, all that things you know. But multiples, have you ever heard the word multiples? Multiple means when you multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, therefore, to get a multiple of a number, to get the multiples of a number, we can multiply that number by any number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or even by 100 also. Then you will get a multiple of that number. Therefore, today we are going to learn about multiples of a number, common multiples and lowest common multiple. These three things we are going to study today. Therefore, we can see how to find the multiples of a number. That means to find the multiples of a number, I told you we need to multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. Therefore, find the multiple of, find some multiples of 3. Find some multiples or 4 multiples of 3. To find that 4 multiples, you can multiply that 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4 or any other number. Multiples are, when you multiply 3 by 1, 3 into 1, 3 is a multiple. When you multiply 3 by 2, 3 into 2 is 6, that's all is a multiple. Or if you multiply 3 by 10, 30, you will get 30 is a multiple of 3. Or if you multiply 3 by 100, then you will get 300. That's also a multiple of 3. Therefore, to find the multiples of a number, we need to multiply that number by any number other than 0. Don't multiply that number by 0, because if you multiply a number by 0, the answer is 0 itself. Therefore, it is not a multiple. Therefore, remember, to get a multiple of any number, multiply that number by any number other than 0. Therefore, these are the multiples of 3. Therefore, you can find the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. Okay, just write the multiplication table, that's only. Multiples of 6 means 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Okay, these are all multiples of 6. These are the first 6 multiples of 6. To get the first multiples, you multiply that number by 1. To get the second multiple, multiply that number by 2. To get the 100th multiple, multiply that number by 100. Or to find the 1000th multiple, multiply that number by 1000. Okay, therefore, remember, multiples of a number. To get the multiple of a number, multiply that number by any number. Okay, is it clear? Then multiples of 6 I have written. Then multiples of 4 also we can write. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? First multiples of 4. That means first 10 multiples we can write. First write the first 10 multiples of 6 and the first 10 multiples of 4. Therefore, here only 6 multiples of 6. Then 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Like this way, write the first 10 multiples of 4 also. That is 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. Then when you go through these two multiples, you can see some numbers are common in both the multiples, isn't it? This 12 is a multiple of 6 and 12 is a multiple of 4 also. In the other same way, 24 is a multiple of 6 and a multiple of 4, isn't it? And any other number, 36 also. Okay, 36 is a multiple of 6 and 4. Therefore, when you we can find the common multiples. We write down the common multiples. Which are the common multiples from the first 10 multiples? Okay, common multiples. First common multiple is 12, second common multiple is 24, and the third one is 36. There are more common multiples, because here only we got only 3 multiples, because we have written only first 10 multiples of the 2 numbers. Therefore, we got only 3 common multiples. There are infinite number of multiples for a number. Infinite number of multiples. Therefore, here we have written only 10 multiples, and for that these 2 numbers 6 and 4, we got only 3 common multiples. From that, which is the lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple, that's equal to 12. The smallest one, common multiples we have written, and the least one, the smallest one is 12. Therefore, the lowest common multiple we can find, that is the short form of lowest common multiple is LCM. Okay, therefore, in the next class we will find how to find the LCM. That topic is you need that in higher classes also. Okay, therefore, first to find the LCM or lowest common multiple, you need to find out which is the, you need to know what is a multiple of a number. Multiple of a number means multiply that number by any number, then you will get the multiple of a number. Okay, then if the 2 or more numbers are there, we can find the common multiples for that numbers. And the lowest common multiple means the first common multiple, that is a lowest common multiples. We can find the multiples of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, to get the multiple of a number, we can multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and any number. Okay, the multiples of 2 are, that means multiples of 2 means multiply that 2 by 1, 2, 3 etc. And to get the multiples of 4, multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Okay, then these are the properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, when you take any number, that's a multiple of 1. A number is always the first multiple of itself. That number is the first multiple of itself. A number has an infinite number of multiples. The lowest common multiple of 2 numbers is their first common multiple. Then the LCM of 2 or more numbers is always greater than or equal to the numbers. Okay, therefore, the LCM will be always greater than or equal to the numbers. These are the properties of multiples. You need to study these things. Okay, write the first 6 multiples of 6. Okay, how do you find the multiples of 6? Multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, like that, isn't it? Therefore, first 6 multiples means multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Therefore, these are the 6 multiples of 6. Then, find the second odd multiple of 9. Therefore, to find the second odd multiple, write down the multiples, write down some multiples of 9. Therefore, multiples of 9 are 9 into 1 9, 9 into 2 18, 9 into 3 27, 9 into 4 36, 9 into 5 45 and so on, like that. Then for second odd multiple, there are in the multiples there are odd numbers and even numbers. Therefore, 9 is an odd number, 27 is an odd number and 45 is an odd number, isn't it? Therefore, in these multiples 9, 27 and 45 are the odd numbers. The question is, find the second odd multiple. Second odd multiple means 27 is the second odd multiple. Okay, then the third question. Smita started her dance class on 5 April. If she had a class every 5th day, on which dates did she attend the classes in April? Therefore, the question is, she started the class on 5th April. Then the class is every 5th day. That means on 5th April it started, on 5th it started, then the next class will be on 10th April, isn't it? 10th April, and the third class will be on 15th April, fourth class will be 20th April, then fifth class will be 25th April, and the sixth class will be 30th April. Therefore, in these days, on April, in these days she has classes. Okay, therefore, to find that, find the multiples of 5, because on every fifth day she has classes. That means multiples of 5 will be the answer of that question. The next one, write the first 10 multiples of 2, 3 and 4 and find their common multiples. Therefore, write down the multiples of 2, first 10 multiples of 2, first 10 multiples of 3, first 10 multiples of 4 and find out the common multiples. Then when you go through the common multiples, 12 is the only common multiple for all these numbers, because we have written only 10 multiples of each number. Therefore, we got only 12 as the common multiple. If we write more multiples, we will get more common multiples. The second one, find the LCM of. The LCM means lowest common multiple. To find the lowest common multiple, you need to find out the multiples of each number and then find out the common multiple. From that, pick up the lowest common multiple. Therefore, multiples of 6 and multiples of 8 we have written. From that, multiples of 6 and multiples of 8, find out the common multiples. We got the common multiples as are 24 and 48, and from that the LCM, that means the lowest common multiple, is 24. Okay. Therefore, multiples we have studied. That means to get the multiples, just multiply the number, that number by any number. To get the first multiples, multiply from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Then after that, if more than one numbers are there, we can find the common multiples of that numbers. Common multiples we can find. From the common multiples, we can find the lowest common multiples also. And these multiples have some properties. Every number is a multiple of 1, because 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 5 is 5. Therefore, this 4 and 5 is a multiple of 1. Therefore, all the number, every number is a multiple of 1. Here are some homework. Let us try 6.2, page number 89, question number 2b, 5 and 6. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.